BrosTrend wall-plug dual-band Wi-Fi extenders are the fastest and easiest way to extend your Wi-Fi coverage. To begin, unbox your extender. Then plug the extender to an electrical outlet. We recommend completing the basic setup in the same room as your existing router. Power LED lights solid blue color. You can set up BrosTrend extender in two different methods, either by web user interface or by pressing the WPS button. To begin with web user interface setup, you can use your smartphone, tablet, or PC. Then use a Wi-Fi device to connect to the extender. Default network name of the extender is BrosTrend_EXT. No Wi-Fi password is required for initial connect. Once connected to the extender, you will be directed to the quick setup page. If not, please enter this domain name in the address bar of the internet browser. In the first login, set up the administrator login password for the extender. Write it down on a piece of paper for future login. Here is a list of your nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select the network name of existing router that you want to extend. Input the correct Wi-Fi password of the existing network and click the Extend button. Please wait. Now your network is extended successfully. Here are the names of your extended new dual-band networks. Once the signal LED lights solid blue, your extender has established a best connection with your router and is boosting Wi-Fi signal. If the signal LED lights red, the connection between your extender and existing router is not in optimal status. You could move the extender closer to your router. In case the signal LED is off, your extender is not connected with your router. Please make sure the extender is within the Wi-Fi coverage of router and repeat the setup process again. You should install your extender halfway between your existing router and Wi-Fi dead zone. Moving the extender closer to the existing router will improve the connection, but will reduce your extender's coverage. Moving the extender farther away from your existing router will improve your extender coverage while reducing your connection speed. Now, unplug the extender and move it to a suitable new location. Please do not install your extender in an area where router Wi-Fi signal is not available. Wait for the signal LED to turn on. In the same room where your extender is installed, use Wi-Fi devices to connect to your extended network. The extender uses your existing Wi-Fi name and adds _EXT or _5G EXT at the end. By default, the Wi-Fi password is the same as the one of your existing router. Once connected, you can move Wi-Fi devices to areas with poor router Wi-Fi signal. You can also set up by pressing the WPS button. Please make sure your existing router has a WPS button. Otherwise, you should install by web interface. Press the WPS button on your router. WPS LED status on your router should change. Then press the WPS button on the extender within 2 minutes. When the WPS LED blinks, the extender is trying to pair with your router. Signal LED on the extender indicates the connection status between your extender and router. Your BrosTrend Wi-Fi extender is now completely set up and ready to go. In case you need assistance, please contact us for help. Thanks for purchasing.
The sun's out, drinks are cold, and the Wi-Fi is nowhere to be found. Dead spots around your house can turn fighting Wi-Fi into a competitive sport. You could replace your existing Wi-Fi router with an even pricier one, or spend even more. The sun's out, drinks are cold, and the Wi-Fi is nowhere to be found. Dead spots around your house can turn fighting Wi-Fi into a competitive sport. You could replace your existing Wi-Fi router with an even pricier one, or spend even more money and switch over to your mobile data plan. But thankfully, there's also BrosTrend AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi range extender. Built from the latest Wi-Fi technology, BrosTrend Wi-Fi range extender can drastically enhance and strengthen existing Wi-Fi signals. But let's get into specifics. This device can extend the Wi-Fi coverage of an existing router with concurrent speed of 867 megabytes per second on a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi band and 300 megabytes per second on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi band. Simply plug in the inconspicuous device, and in a few steps, the smart lights will signal the connection strength. With universal compatibility that work with any ISP gateway, the BrosTrend AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi range extender is here to end the days of buffering. Head to Amazon to get yours.